Look around and you'll see people chasing massive overnight windfalls. A reliable side income functions like a machine, a series of interlocking small actions that turn smoothly every single day. When you strip away the hype, the math is straightforward. Generating $100 every single day creates a baseline of $3,000 a month. This goal doesn't require a complex business model, just a consistent output. We are going to build that machine right now. By the end of this video, you will have selected a specific service, set your price, and sent your very first pitch to a real client. This requires actual effort. We're setting up an execution engine because a modest, predictable system will always outlast a random gamble. Step 1 is deciding what you're actually going to sell. Focus on a microservice, a specific small solution that takes a frustrating task off a content creator's plate. This menu lists 4 high-demand services with low barriers to entry: thumbnail design, short video editing, caption writing, and social media posting. Pause the video here, pick one of these 4, and commit to it. Do not spend more than a minute overthinking this choice. If you decide later that you prefer a different task, you can pivot. This initial choice is a starting point, so there is no pressure to find a perfect fit immediately. Selecting a single service provides you with a specific product for the market and a clear objective for the outreach phase. Now that you have a service, step 2 is pricing it. Use the micro-offer strategy. For your first clients, keep your price point between $10 and $20 per job. The math is simple. You take a $20 unit, multiply it by 5 clients, and you hit your $100 daily target. Many beginners fail because they ask for a $1,000 monthly retainer on day 1. Asking a stranger for a large sum of money upfront spikes their perceived risk, leading to an immediate no. A $20 offer removes that friction. It minimizes the client's financial risk, making yes the most logical answer for them to give. Step 3 is active outreach. Instagram and YouTube are your primary target zones. Look for small to medium creators who are actively posting and would benefit from the service you chose. When you find a profile that fits, look for the direct message button. This is your point of contact. Inside that chat, send this exact 2-sentence pitch. Hey, I can improve your content. Want a quick sample? Write that script down. Your daily goal is to send this message to 30 to 50 different creators every single day. Most creators will not reply, and others will decline. Non-responses are a standard part of a high-volume protocol. You are simply filtering for the clients who are ready to start. Open a new tab and send your first message right now. Breaking the initial inertia is more important than refining your plan. Planning alone produces nothing. Maintaining a high-volume outreach habit is the single ingredient that converts this plan into a functioning income engine. Once you secure a yes, move immediately to fulfillment. Focus on rapid delivery, clean quality, and professional communication. Let's map out month 1. The first 14 days, secure 5 clients daily at $20 each. In week 3, proven delivery justifies a price increase. The math shifts. You only need 2 clients paying $50 to maintain that $100 baseline. This transition reduces the time you spend hunting for new clients while keeping your daily income stable. Exceptional fulfillment early on is what allows you to stop grinding for new leads. Satisfied clients become repeat business, providing a predictable foundation for your income. If you followed these steps and sent that first message, you have officially launched your freelance side hustle today. Results depend on consistent daily effort. It takes time for the habit of daily outreach to compound into a reliable income stream. Comment the number 100 below to verify that you sent your first pitch today and to commit to this process for the next 30 days. Taking immediate, imperfect action today is the only way to build long-term financial independence. Start now.